We're just here in our element, man, amongst the elements. The sun, the sea, the sand, you know, in nature. Soaking up the present moment, being in the moment, not worrying about the past mistakes, past relationships, redundancies, businesses going under, you know, and all our mistakes that we've made in life, and what could have happened and should have happened. And we're not worrying about the future, which is only a concept, it's barely but a myth right now, you know. We're just here in the present moment, just being in the moment, content. Come, walk with me, come, let's go.